boy, YouTube, what do we got here? Cub Cadet special? Yeah, we did. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I want to give you all a quick rundown of what I need to get done to this Cub Cadet so that it is in working order again. Basically, it seems like it'll run, right? So there's 3 magnetos that act as like a stator or an alternator, right, that charges it. And the ones that are in here right now don't seem to be charging this at all. So it'll run. You don't need battery power to run it because that magneto's fine, but the rest of it needs work. So I got 3 brand new coils. It's basically like I said, it's the stator pretty much. So I'm going to be installing that. I got to take the clutch apart because the clutch is sticking and it's causing problems with the transmission right now, so it won't actually go into gear sometimes. It's also causing a great deal of wear on this belt, and I don't like that. I might actually have to get a new belt soon, or just so I can have a spare, because it's already starting to get loose and that's bad. So yeah, clutch, stator. Oh, and we're going to be putting a winch that I have as a spare. It's a Tractor Supply winch. I just have to create some kind of mount on the front here that will support it, but I don't think that'll be too overly hard. It would just be nice to have something else with another winch on it, and I'm not going to use it on anything else. I figured this would be perfect, you know, to do that too. It's got a big battery as well. So that's just some of the things I'm going to be doing. There will be time lapses, so if you don't like the videos, I'm sorry. Maybe I'll record straight up some videos. It's just a lot easier if I can just combine everything into a time lapse. So stay tuned, YouTube. Let's start working on this. We'll go from there. Stay tuned, YouTube. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So following on with that last video, we're going to start working on, there we go. We're going to start working on this Honda over here. So we have to replace the stator on it. The question is, how do I get these wires off? So I'm going to need some room. I guess I can clean up some of these wires too, man. Some oil shut off. Maybe I can't. I forget what I did here. I guess I can wire these 2 in together instead of having it like this. This is... yeah, I definitely got some work to do to this still. Let's go ahead. Let's grab some tools. I wonder what I'm going to have to do to take it apart. I hope I can I reach this bottom bolt? They didn't really put that in a good area, did they? Let's grab some tools first. Let's start working. Alright, here we go. I think this entire cover is going to have to come out, but it looks like you have to go step by step with it. Alright, let's get a little tray going here too. Bear with me, YouTube. I got this. It's been a while since I made a video. I need my 10 mil though. So it appears if you don't take it out, you really gotta kind of dig some of these bolts. Shouldn't be too overly hard though. I just don't have anything that can really fit in this area. Oh, where'd you go? It's nice working in a place that's not super dirty. We're gonna get on the floor for this one. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's no way I could have reached that. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. So we'll put this seat up. And we'll just pile all the parts in here. So got those first four. Looks like most of these parts are all pretty similar. How much you want to bet that it's just a little bit dirty, and that's why the Stator magnetos weren't working. Where'd she go? There she is. Alright, now I know there's gonna be probably some bolts. Pretty sure this is all gonna have to be disconnected. Oh, I see some screws here. Let's get those out. We'll use this. There we go. Just a Phillips head coming up next. I'm just using power tools so we can kind of power through this a little bit. It looks like we're gonna have to remove that. Yeah, we definitely had to. Now, if I could just see what else is in here working. Might actually have to use my phone for this. Alright, let's see. Oh, yep, those are 10. They're 10 mils. A deep 10 mil probably would have been better than this, but let's see if this works. I can find a way to get it. We got those two. Is there any on the bottom? That's the next question. Interesting. I don't see any. Oh, you know, we gotta take the air filter box apart. I already see it. Let's see how she looks in here. Oh, not too bad. It's a little bit dusty. Alright, a lot of it dusty. Alright, let's be careful with that. I'm gonna get a bunch of dirt in there. Either way, she's a Honda. But she's a Honda boy. Oh God. I just... forget how I did this. One of the plastic clips kind of stripped off. So I think I just used to kind of pull it out. Wish I could just go like this. Nice. Yeah. I might try to fix that while it's apart now. So technically, I might be able to finagle this over like so to get this out. Oh, gentle, gentle. Wow, they didn't make this easy to remove, I see. Might actually have to unbolt the whole engine to get this. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Oh yeah, no, this is gonna require an impact for sure. Let's see under here. Oh yeah, no, I don't think there was any way this would fit unless it went all the way up. Or maybe if I cut this out. Wow, they didn't make this easy. It's a slightly poor design, if you ask me. Because it'll always get stuck. What I might try is I can maybe push this in up here. Yeah, see, no matter what, it's gonna be caught down there. Oh, that's gonna be fun. This is gonna turn into a time lapse now, YouTube. So basically, I'm gonna unbolt the engine, move it, I guess enough so that I can work with it, and that might actually work out because I don't know if there's any way for me to get that converter, the torque converter out anyway. So Stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, so there we have it. A little dirty, but I don't know. I wonder if this could have been saved. Oh, never mind. I think I see some frayed wires. Yeesh. Anyway, that's going to be for tomorrow, YouTube. I got to get inside, eat some dinner, go to bed, do the same thing over tomorrow. So stay tuned, YouTube. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.